Video inputs. React automatically detects the video inputs connected to your computer and displays them as thumbnails at the bottom of the screen. The first time you log into React, your video inputs are inactive by default, as indicated by the darkened video input thumbnails and the oblique red bars on the small webcam icons in the lower right corner of each thumbnail. To activate a video input, simply click on the small webcam icon. To deactivate it, simply click on the small webcam icon again. When a video input is deactivated, the local video feed is still present, but the video input stream is stopped. This serves two purposes: hiding your video feed from remote users and freeing up bandwidth. The latter point is important in low bandwidth situations, as deactivating one or more of the video feeds during a session will increase the bandwidth available to perform other tasks, such as sharing an application, sharing videos, transferring files, etc. During a multi-party session, only the webcam selected for the face-to-face mode will be active by default. When going to session mode, you will see your additional cameras as deactivated. This automatic process is in place to save bandwidth in case multiple participants each have multiple video feeds. To activate a stream so that the other users can see it, just click on the small webcam icon of the desired stream. Alternatively, dragging and dropping an inactive stream onto the collaborative canvas will automatically activate it. To deactivate the stream and remove it from the session, just click again on the small webcam icon in the lower right corner of its video feed thumbnail. The name of each video input appears in the top part of its thumbnail by default. There are various functions available for each video input. These can be accessed by right-clicking directly on the video input thumbnail. Name, to show, hide, or rename a video input. Video settings, to manually adjust the properties of your video input. Refresh, to reinitialize your video input in case the video thumbnail remains black. When you connect a video input, the input may occasionally fail to appear, with its thumbnail remaining black instead. This may be caused by a problem with your device driver or simply because your driver did not initially detect the video input. In the latter case, clicking on the refresh button will reinitialize the input connection and will resolve the problem most of the time, with the video input appearing in its thumbnail shortly thereafter. If the video thumbnail remains black despite having clicked on refresh, it may be that your webcam is being used by another program on your computer, or that there is a problem during booting of the application. In such a situation, make sure that you do not have another program open that uses your webcam. Otherwise, you may simply need to quit React and restart the application. If the problem persists, check whether there is a problem with your webcam. Delete. Deleting an input will ensure that it does not automatically reappear when the React application is launched. For example, instead of using your computer's built-in webcam, you may want to use a higher quality external webcam. In order to avoid your built-in webcam's input appearing every time React is launched, just right-click on its thumbnail and select Delete. The input will be deleted and it will appear in the settings panel in the Deleted Inputs section. You will be able to reactivate the previously deleted video input at any time by going to the Deleted Inputs section in the settings panel. Eject. If you want to disconnect a video input from your computer while you are in a React session, you must right-click on its thumbnail and select Eject. This will ensure that the input is properly disconnected. This is exactly the same process as when you eject a USB key from your computer. Disconnecting a video input without using the eject function may cause the system to freeze or not work properly. In such a situation, closing the application and rebooting it will resolve the problem.